Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel viewers. In front of me, Honor X6 device, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this smartphone. So firstly, you need to open the control panel and disable all unnecessary features. For example, if you are using mobile internet right now, just disable the Wi-Fi. If you are using the Wi-Fi, just disable the mobile internet, disable location services. If you don't need it right now, disable NFC, Huawei Share and hotspot. And Bluetooth, of course, if you don't listen to music using Bluetooth headphones, or if you have no connected feet band on your hand. So if you don't need one of these features, just disable it, because all of these features are constantly searching for their services. For example, Bluetooth for nearby devices. With enabled Bluetooth, personal hotspot is constantly sharing the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is constantly searching for Wi-Fi networks. So if you want to improve your battery life, you just need to disable all of unnecessary features. The next step is to decrease the screen brightness, because screen consuming a lot of battery power. Okay, and the next step is to open settings, then scroll down. So it will be here on the top part of the settings, then scroll down, find your battery, and choose power saving mode. I suggest to click learn more. Here you will see which features will be disabled in this mode. As you can see, disable haptic feedback, disable system sounds, reduce visual effects, shorten screen timeout, restrict background tab activity, reduce system performance. Okay, but when you are using the dark mode in the power saving mode, I suggest to enable the light mode. Why? Because dark mode is not reducing your battery, your power consuming. Okay, because you have no LED screen here on your device, and it means the dark mode is useless. But when you are using the light mode, you don't need to have your screen bright, so you can make your screen dimmer but enable the light mode. In this way you will save your battery power. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye.